How do I build a real estate investment portfolio from the scratch? Hello everyone, and welcome back to Realities of Real Estate podcast. And if this is your very first time here, you're very much welcome. My name is Kelechi Ibeako. I am a real estate expert, a women empowerment advocate, and your host on this podcast. On this channel, we simplify real estate and show you how to move from intention to intentional ownership, step by step. Let me start by reassuring you that you don't need to be rich. You don't need to buy 5 properties once. You don't need to know everything before you start buying real estate. Every strong real estate portfolio you see today started with one clear decision. So today I want to walk you through how to build a real estate investment portfolio from the scratch, calmly, strategically, and sustainably. Number 1 is to get clear on your why. Before buying anything, there are certain questions you need to ask yourself, such as, why are you investing? Is it for appreciation, for rental income, for retirement, or for building legacy? Your why is what determines what you buy and where you buy it. A portfolio without a purpose becomes scattered. Number 2 is to start where you can afford, not where you are pressured to start. Let me say this very calmly and very gently. Your first property does not need to impress anyone. It needs to be legally secure, have growth potential, and fit your exact budget. Starting small is not failure, it's a strategy. Number 3 is to prioritize safe, growth-oriented locations. Your first investment should be within a growth corridor, with infrastructure direction, with strong future demand. This sets the foundation for appreciation and leverage. Number 4 is to focus on title and documentation. Your portfolio is only as strong as its weakest title. Always ensure clear ownership, verified survey, and proper documentation. Risk-free foundations is what protects long-term growth. And then add with intention, not emotion. As you go, avoid random purchases. Each new property you buy should serve a different purpose, diversify your risk, increase your cash flow or appreciation. Portfolios grow by design and not by impulse. Number 6 is to learn to leverage appreciation. Over time, your property appreciates, your equity increases, and smart investors reinvest. You reinvest in rental income, capital gains, equity value. This is how portfolios begin to compound. Number 7 is balance land and income properties. A healthy portfolio includes lands for appreciation, income generating properties for cash flow, because both work together to build stability and growth. Number 8 is to keep proper records. You need to track purchase prices, documentation, rental income, your expenses, because clarity creates confidence and control. Very importantly, the number 9 is to work with a professional guidance. You don't need to do this alone. Experienced guidance helps you to avoid costly mistakes, spot opportunities early, and grow faster and safer. Expertise shortens the learning curve anyway. So real estate wealth is not built overnight, it is built deliberately. 1 property becomes 2, 2 becomes leverage, leverage becomes freedom. And if you're ready to structure your real estate investment journey, whether you're in Nigeria or in the diaspora, I want you to know that AKI Global is here to help you build a portfolio that grows with you. So go ahead to contact the number you see on your screen or visit our website at www.akiglobalresources.com. And I'll be very much honored to help you own smart, to live secure, and to invest with confidence. At the end, if this episode gave you clarity, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share with someone who wants to start investing but feels overwhelmed. Until I come your way again, start small but think long term. My name is Kelechi Ibeako.